Position confirmed.
Lift. Set.
Certification confirmed. All tests passed. This panel is ready for packaging.
Phase 3 lamination complete. All parameters nominal. Over.
From raw silicon to the shipping container.
Lift clear.
Batch 789A is secure. Certificate checks out. Go ahead and lower it.
Rotation complete on ingot 3.
Acknowledged. Temperature holding steady at 350 Celsius.
Position confirmed.
Torque set 4 nanometers.
90 degrees confirmed.
Keep the flow consistent. Got it. Looks good right here.
Lift. Set.
Okay, bring the next one in slowly. Copy that, watching the clearance. Get those chocks ready.
.3 volts.
Perfect. Continuity confirmed. Carefully align the top sheet. Rolling from the center out now. Bubble check successful. The surface is clear. The level is approaching the mark.
Okay, stopping the pour now. Did you start the timer?
Yes, cure initiated. Check the diagonal measurement now.
It's exactly 1880 millimeters.
Okay, the alignment is perfect.
One, two, three, four.
Confirmed.
Phase 3 lamination complete. All parameters nominal. Over.
Certification confirmed. All tests passed. This panel is ready for packaging.
that aligned with the edge?
Yes, perfect alignment.
See you in the next manufacturing journey. This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We did not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.